Hi guys, a spring-powered car, inspired by a suggestion by Lidmotor, and yeah, I've designed it from scratch. The actual springs came off Thingiverse. They were just a file on their own, just a spring, and I thought that would be ideal for what I want to do. The only thing is, I'm not sure, but I think there's a problem with that bit there. That looks like a bit has gone out of alignment on it while it's been printing. I came up and looked earlier and I couldn't imagine what was going on, because I couldn't figure out what these bits were, but they're the tree support for the holes going crossways. I nearly cancelled the print because I couldn't remember what they were for. I went downstairs and checked the slicer, checked the file, and realised what I was looking at. So yeah, looking okay. So I think that's actually the main shaft there, that piece, and it looks a bit funny. But I may just be panicking. We'll find out. I think those springs are going to be a little bit weak for what I want it to do. I designed it that I could actually print more of them and just add them onto the shaft. So we will see. Got another hour to run yet. I don't know, 90%, maybe not an hour, maybe half an hour. You'll have it on the security camera anyway. We'll see. Right, let's see if it actually works. Okay, well, we clearly have a problem. Once that arm flicks over, it acts as a brake, so that's not good. And I had to position the arm so it's right the way round there to actually put enough tension on the springs to get it moving forwards anyway. So there's a few things we need to do there. We need a catcher on the front to stop it going down onto the ground. And we probably need thicker springs. You might notice those are already thicker than the originals. That's the originals, and they had no power at all. So I think those are about 2 millimeters wide, maybe 3, and those are about 8. So in principle it works. In practice it's not as good as it could be.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.